Hello friend, my name is Aya. Welcome to my show. I'm going to show you how to make yummy cupcakes like these. All the instructions are written on the box. Put the mixture in the bowl and now I'm going to put 1/4 cup of oil. One-fourth cup yogurt. And put a 1/2 cup of water. Now start your blender. Putting the cupcake lining in the cupcake tray. I'm putting all the cupcake liners. I have to have 2 spoons and put it in the cupcake liner. Put it inside it. Put this for 350 degrees but kids, you don't touch it. I'm going to show you how to make brownie. Brownie mix on the bowl and you need the butter, unsalted butter. Salted butter and just yogurt. Put the mix. Tray and put the brownie. If you cannot touch it, the parents can put it for you in the oven. The cupcakes are ready. We're going to do the icing. The beautiful cupcake is ready. Now I'm going to make it more decorated. Now I'm going to do icing on the cupcake. Look at it, put it again it. It's so cute. Now I'm going to decorate the cupcake. I'm going to put more flour on the one cupcake. Nice. I'm going to put full flour here. Now I'm going to put the candle. Now I'm going to put the icing and my decorations is done. The brownie's made. Now I'm going to put the icing on the brownie. Yummy brownie with the ice cream. Yummy cupcake and brownie are ready. Very yummy and I can eat it and I can share it with my friends. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the show. Please subscribe to my channel and click the button. See you next time. Bye bye.